Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my top 5 metalworking tools right around or under $25 that I purchased off of Amazon. A link will be in the description below for all of these tools should you decide to pick one up. It's going to help the channel a little bit. If you click those links, it costs you nothing extra. To use those links, you just help out the channel. So this is in absolutely no particular order. We'll just start here with the little thickness gauge. I think this thing costs right around the $5 range. Basically, you can fit it up to any piece of material that you're using, slide the material there into one of those notches, and it'll tell you exactly what thickness you're welding with or what thickness the material is that you're working with so that you can set your welders to the correct settings. Seriously, cheap little thing. It's a nice little tool to have. Most of the time you can get probably within a gauge size or two yourself. It's nice to have this little thing around. It's really simple. I suppose if nothing else, it can be a little keychain thing to show that you're a welder. I don't know. I use it occasionally. Nice little tool. Link in the description below. So that brings us to our second thing. And I will straight up admit that I got the idea for these magnets from Mike Festiva. I've been watching him for a few years now. Love that guy's channel. They've got 2 little magnets here, and then you can adjust these on the ends here to help support any of the material you are welding together. It can go at 90 degrees. That's often what I use them for. I think they work better than the little triangle house looking magnets that you can see right there. I picked these up over those, and they're super strong little magnets. They work good for fabrication. If you've ever seen Mike Festiva, you know that he likes those things, and I do too. I think they're a pretty good little tool. I don't remember the name of them off the top of my head, but there's a link in the description below, and they're a great little tool. Go ahead and pick them up if you have a use for them. So let's go with number 3 here. It is Blue Demon welding wire. Sorry about the glare there. Specifically, what I've got here is 35 thousandths flux core wire. So I'm going to send you a link to that, but you can use that link and purchase any welding wire, whether it's solid core MIG, 10-pound spools, the 2-pound spools, or anything like that. But straight up, this Blue Demon stuff is a good welding wire. As far as I can tell, I get good results with it. I've had some super clean flux core welds with it with the right settings and everything. Turned out really, really nice. It burns in really well. They give you a nice little Blue Demon sticker to put on, you know, like my little junky electrical box fluid cabinets that I hung up there. I like to stick the stickers on those because those things are hideous. They're supposedly made in the USA. I don't have any reason to not believe that or doubt that. Blue Demon's good stuff. Go ahead, pick it up. Really reasonably priced. I think it's some of the best priced stuff I can get. Blue Demon, it's good. Again, link in the description below if you want to pick up some welding wire. So the 4th thing, I'm not even going to get it out, but I've showed it in a couple of videos. It's basically my shielding gas hose that you can see somewhere in the background there. It's probably too blurry from being out of focus. But I've had no issues with that gas hose. If for some reason you need a gas hose, probably one of the least things that anybody will buy out of this video. The hose that I bought, I don't know, 3 years ago. There's no dry rot cracks or anything like that. It's a good hose. It's worked just fine for me. I thought I'd throw it up there because I actually really didn't have a 5th thing to put in here. That wouldn't cost a lot of money. Of course, I could suggest my Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. Let's just use that one as a bonus, but let's get to the number 5, under or around the $25 mark item. Okay, the 5th thing is this heavy duty canvas apron. I've used it when doing metalworking. You guys have seen it in some of my videos. I've used it quite a bit. I don't wear it all the time, especially because now I have a welding jacket, but you know what? It's a great heavy duty canvas apron, and you can use it for a whole number of uses. You know, whatever you do. A lot of guys use these aprons, and gals use these aprons for barbecuing, things like that. The reason why I suggest this canvas apron in specific is because it's made by this company called Hudson Durable Goods. I actually reached out for them and asked if they would send me one of these because I was definitely sold on them. Totally ignored me, but that's fine. I don't know that these are made in the USA, but it is a small American company. They sell these things on Amazon. I think it's 31, 32 bucks, something like that. Really nice heavy duty canvas apron. It's got some nice pockets in it, things like that. I'm not going to try and sell you on it anymore. If you think you could use an apron, it's a great apron. Go ahead and pick it up. Again, it's the Hudson Durable Goods apron. Link in the description below. And I guess we'll just say for the bonus, or the number 6, because this is way overpriced compared to these other really small little stocking stuffer sized and cheap products that I've said, you know, we'll just use the old Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. That's a great machine. I can't recommend that Forney Easy Weld 140 MP enough. If you want to pick one up for some reason, link in the description below. And that's pretty much going to do it for me, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. This is a simple way that you can get something that you might have bought anyway for no extra charge to help out the channel a little bit. I really appreciate any of you that clicked on those links. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up and being a subscriber of my channel. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.